I'm Rachel. I work for Jack in the Box Corporate in San Diego, and I'm going to show you how we use Photoshop and InDesign to send our design files to print. This is our holiday drink promotion here. You're going to see these up in the restaurants in December. So we have our junior designers who are just starting out in the industry, early 20s, importing these graphics from Photoshop, working with them, tooling with the fonts, the backgrounds, and importing them into InDesign. And this is how we get our print-ready files. We package these files and send them to the printer. And so it's a combination of sometimes Photoshop and Illustrator being imported into InDesign and being sent to the printer. So it's very important to know all of those programs. A little tidbit of information when we're looking at resumes: if you don't know Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign at a minimum, we usually won't even look at the resume. It's very important just to have those basic skills to get even an entry-level position. So I highly recommend using them and learning them and studying them, and your resume will get put to the top of the pile.